Ebooks and PDFs are dead, and if you're still building your online business around a $27 PDF in 2026, you are not building a business. You are building a ceiling and working very hard to stay underneath it. Now, what do I mean by ceiling? Well, if you want to make an extra $1,000 a month, a little side income, something passive, something you set up once and forget about, PDFs can do that. There's nothing wrong with that goal, and I'm not here to talk you out of it. But if that is your goal, this is genuinely not the video for you. You can click off right now, and I mean that with zero judgment. This video is for the person who wants to build an empire, not a side hustle, not a passive income stream, an actual online business that generates $20,000 to $50,000 every single month. If that is you, you can stay. Because what I'm about to show you is the exact model I use to generate $50,000 a day, and then I have watched multiple businesses replicate at $25,000 a month and beyond. And I'm not some YouTube guru with a rented Ferrari or a B-roll in me on a yacht. I'm sharing exactly what I've learned in over a decade of building, failing, rebuilding, and the hard lessons that come out of all of it. So let's get into it. I want to start by saying something that most people making this argument skip straight past. The PDF model was not a bad idea. It was actually a brilliant idea for its time. No overhead, no inventory, no shipping, no fulfillment cost. You build it once and it sells while you sleep. The margins are almost 100% because there's nothing physical changing hands. You can start with literally $0 and be selling something real within a week. That is a genuinely compelling business model, and I understood exactly why millions of people ran towards it. And for a long time, it worked. But in 2026, the single biggest competitor in the digital product space is not another creator. It is a free AI tool that anyone on the planet can access from their phone. The $27 PDF you spent 3 weeks building, Claude can produce a comparable version in 4 minutes. Your buyer knows this and the price reflects it. You are no longer competing with other PDF sellers. You are competing with free. You cannot win a race to the bottom against free. So the question is not whether the PDF model is dying. It is already dead as a path to a real business. The question is what replaced it. And the answer is something that AI cannot touch, no matter how good it gets. I want to show you something concrete because this is where most people get lost in the theory. Let me give you two versions of the same exact business. So version A is, you know, Instagram growth. You have figured out what content works, how the algorithm behaves, what makes people follow and buy. So you package that knowledge into a $47 ebook, how to grow your Instagram in 30 days. You sell it on Gumroad, you make content to drive traffic to it, and on a great month, you sell 200 copies. That is $9,400 before platform fees, before taxes, before the hours you spent creating content just to sell it. Now you are smart, so you use the PDF as a lead magnet. You funnel those buyers into a $500 course. In a good month, maybe 10% convert, so 20 people out of 200 buy the course. You made $10,000 on top of the ebook revenue. The system works. But here's what just happened to that entire system. The PDF, the lead magnet your whole business is built on, just became worthless because your buyer pulled out their phone, asked Claude the same question your PDF answers, got a better answer in 30 seconds, and closed the tab before they ever saw your Gumroad page. No lead magnet means no course sales. No course sales means the whole funnel collapses and you are left with a business that was working perfectly, built on a foundation that no longer exists. Now over here you have version B, same knowledge, but different packaging. So you offer a done-for-you Instagram growth service, you run the content strategy, provide the posting schedule, optimize the profile, track the analytics. Your client does not have to think about it. They just watch their account grow. You charge $2,500 a month. You take 10 clients. That is $25,000 a month recurring. The same clients pay you every single month because the problem does not go away when they stop paying you. It comes back. So same expertise, but the exact same knowledge that was going into a $47 PDF packaged as an outcome instead of information and worth 50 times more. And here's the part that should stop you in your tracks. The buyer in version B is not paying for your knowledge. They are paying to never have to think about this problem again. That is a completely different transaction, and AI will never replace it because AI cannot take the problem off their plate the way a human being who is accountable for the result can. Now, when I say a high ticket service, I want to be clear that I'm not talking about one specific thing. I'm not saying everyone needs to become a coach. I'm not saying everyone needs to offer a done-for-you services specifically. The form depends entirely on your niche, your skills, and who your buyer is. There's a version of what you know that is worth $27, and there is a version of what you know that is worth $2,500 a month. The difference is not the knowledge. The difference is how close you stand to the outcome. An ebook about how to lose 20 pounds is worth $27. A 12-week program where you personally design the nutrition plan, check in weekly, adjust the approach based on how the client is actually doing, and stay with them until they hit the number, that commands a completely different price. The market pays a premium for proximity to the result and always will. An ebook about how to build a Shopify store is worth $47. A done-for-you store build where the client hands you the product and receives a fully functioning storefront, that sits in a completely different price bracket entirely. Same expertise, completely different price because of completely different proximity to the result. And here's what I see happen when people hear this. They immediately think they are not expert enough to charge that nobody would pay them that much, that they need more more credentials, more followers, more proof before they can ask for a number that size. That thought is the PDF trap talking. The PDF trained you to undervalue what you know because you were packaging it for mass consumption at the lowest possible price point. When you package for transformation instead of information, the math changes entirely. And so does the buyer. The buyer of a $47 PDF is hoping it works. The buyer of a $2,500 service is investing in a result they fully expect to receive. Those are not the same person. Now, I generate at least $50,000 a day from this model, not from selling information, from selling outcomes, high-touch implementation, results that clients can point to and measure. And the businesses I have worked with directly, I've watched companies go from selling low-ticket digital products to generate $25,000 a month and beyond, running the same model in their own niche. And I want to be honest about something else. I made the PDF mistake too. I spent real time building products that the market was already moving away from. I watched the sales slow down and thought the answer was better marketing, better design, a lower price point. It was none of those things. The model had a ceiling and I kept hitting it harder instead of building something different underneath it. The moment I shifted from selling what I knew to selling what I could do for someone, everything changed. The revenue went up, the clients got better results, the referrals started coming in without me chasing them, and the business stopped depending on me to find new buyers every single month just to stay flat. That is the difference between a PDF business and an outcome business. So how do you actually make the transition from where you are to where this model lives? And before I walk you through it, I know exactly what you are thinking right now. You are thinking you do not have 10 clients. You have no case studies, no proof, no audience large enough to justify charging $2,500 for anything. So who's going to pay you for that? That thought kept you selling $47 PDFs when you were capable of something worth 50 times more. Your first client does not require proof. They require a conversation specific enough to make them feel like you understand their problem better than they do. That is the entire sell at the beginning. First, identify what outcome your knowledge can produce for someone else. That result is your new product, not the information that leads to it, the result itself. Second, find 10 people who have that problem right now and are already spending money trying to solve it. Those are your first clients. You do not need an audience. You do not need a funnel. You need 10 people with a painful problem and a conversation with each of them. Provide offers that are undeniable and base everything on the outcome. Third, you want to price it at what the outcome is worth, not what you feel comfortable charging. This is the hardest part for most people and it is the most important. Fourth, deliver the result. Actually do the work, because a client who gets the result they paid for will tell everyone they know who has the same problem. And that referral loop is worth more than any marketing budget you will ever spend. And here's what I want you to understand about the timeline on this. The PDF business takes months to build any meaningful revenue because it requires volume and volume requires an audience. The outcome business can generate real money in 90 days because it only requires one client to get started. You do not need to burn down what you have already built. You can run both in parallel while the transition happens. But every hour you spend optimizing the PDF business is an hour you are not spending building the thing that actually has no ceiling. So ebooks and PDFs are dead. As I said at the start, PDFs can get you to an extra $1,000 a month, maybe a few thousand. And if that is the goal, there's nothing wrong with that. But if the goal is a real business that generates $100,000 or more every single month, the PDF model will not take you there. Information era of digital products is over. AI closed that chapter for everyone. What it opened is something better, a market that is hungrier than ever for real results from real people who can actually deliver them. You already have what it takes to be one of those people. You are just packaging it wrong.